Interesting things happen when you see through the eyes or from the point of view of artists. They lead you down interesting paths, into unanticipated directions.
In our particular conversation, how that kind of intersects with ideas around reparations and healing of ecologies and people.
Looking into nuclear histories, looking into what's not visible with a naked eye.
The work that I'm interested in talking about here is trying to focus on human aspects of living with AI in a very holistic sense.
These types of events are great because you're learning about different artist practice as well, to see how, contemporary artists are interpreting the world in very different ways.
The work that I'm showing today is called The Horizon, and it's a piece set in a post-abundance near future where an unnamed protagonist has created a form of AI assistant that's very kind of low-tech, all disconnected from cloud computing systems that we have today.
Conversations like the ones that have been happening today are so important because they're sharing of ideas, but also they contribute to a wider ecology of knowledge that really shapes our understanding of the world today, but also gives us hope in terms of thinking about different speculative knowledge to imagine our own future.
I have often wondered on this idea of what is research in the visual arts, and for the last 10 to 15 years, that's what my career has been about.
So it's really incredible to be in the building together and to have a chance to think together across different strands and ways of coming to the question of what is research now, and thinking not just about what we do, but actually repair, and this idea of how we can repair systems, structures, ourselves, and what the work we do can mean towards something that looks towards the future and not just the past.